Welcome dear learners. Today we will see a topic is develop a simple GUI app program using Visual Studio IDE in our subject GUI application development using VB.NET. Myself PS Thakore, lecturer Government Polytechnic Gondia. So these are our learning outcomes for the day. Use components of IDE, that means integrated development environment. Then we will identify the controls from toolbox, then design and run GUI application. So first see the component of IDE. So first component is toolbox, where you will find number of controls will be there for designing your form. For example, button, checkbox, labels, list box and many more. So there are many controls for the designing. Then we will see the form, where we can drag and drop this control and design our Windows application form. So this one is the Windows application form, that's why it is a desktop application development. So you have to draw all these controls which is required for your application using form component. The next important component is Solution Explorer. In that, for the navigation purpose, you need to use the Solution Explorer for your forms. For example, if you added 50 to 100 forms in your single project, then you need to navigate and use your forms. Also you can navigate to your objects also. Then the property window, for the decoration of your form and other controls in that form, you need property window. In that you can set your back color, you can set their fonts, you can set 4 colors and many more. So the whole impression goes to your designing, that means for the user interface, that should be user friendly. For that, making the software or the display of that software user friendly and impressive, you need a property window for setting the display properties your form. Also it will be helpful for your coding. Now the question arises, identify controls for designing a calculator. So for that calculator, just imagine that you have this IDE, then which controls you will use for calculator. For a while, think about that. Now we will go for demo for designing one addition program. Let's start with the IDE. So I will focus on the first components which are available here. So you will see here the toolbox. At right or center you will find the form component. Then in right side, Solution Explorer is there, and in below of that Solution Explorer you will find property window. So in this area of form we will design using these controls, for example like button and text box. So we will see the demo. So let's start with the designing addition of two number calculator. So we will take first one button, then the text boxes you will find here. We need 3 text boxes, addition of two number into the third one. So we have to give the name to the button, and we will increase the font size of all the text boxes so that it will be good to visible. So look at here, now it will be visible good to see. So what component we have used to design this or the decoration? Property window. So we will set some background of this form so that it will look good. Now on button click we will do some program. So code window will open on click event of that button, one click. So you have to type some code here. Text box 3 dot text equals to text box 1 dot text plus text box 2 dot text. A very simple code for the addition of two numbers, and we will provide a base data type. That means by default it is a string, so we will convert it into number so that the calculator will be of two numbers successfully. We will get the successful two numbers. Now for running you have to click into start debugging or direct by after pressing F5. So after that it will debug and build the solution, and form window will comes. Here we need to add, that means for example 12 plus 10. So click, after clicking on add button you will find the answer is total 22. So for designing this one part of calculator we have used toolbox controls, also clicked on solution explorer for navigation, and mainly we use property window. So what we observed today, we identified some components for making that calculator, then we identified controls for given application, that means for the calculator, then we have designed and execute a form successfully for the addition of two numbers. So hope you are getting, and you will make, definitely will make some applications very impressive for your micro project and major project also. Thank you.